Hello everyone, this is Ujjwal Kumar. This is my lab experiment for compiler, lab experiment number 5. So in this experiment we are going to see the DFA implementation using C++. So here we go. So if you see here, this all are just the header file of the C++. So here's the main part. We have defined some variable here, number of set, then number of terminal, then I and j. So first user will be asked to enter the number of states. So he will be entering the number of state will be here. Okay, then what happens next? He will be asked to enter the states. So he will be entering the states. So now we have number of states and the states. The same thing goes for the number of terminal also. So he will be asked to enter the number of terminal, how many terminal we want. Now we will be having enter the terminal, so we will be having the terminal. So what we will do now, we will take number of states and number of terminal and we will be cross product and we will be creating a 2D matrix. Okay, now what will happen? So we will be running the for loop for I equal to 0, I less than number of state I plus plus, then again for j equal to 0, j less than number of state j plus plus. So in DFA what we know, from every state we have terminal and it goes to other state. Suppose if we have two terminal A and B, so from that state A and B should go somewhere. So that's the thing. Okay, so now will be state, so we will be getting the state. So suppose first we are getting state 1, then we will entering the terminal. So enter the transition where it's going, then again C in T, then I comma j, T will be stored there. The same goes for repeating for every state until we finish the thing. Now what will at the end what we will be having? We will be having transition table. So what we will do, we will just print the transition table for j equal to 0, j less than 0, C out transition. So we will be printing the transition state. Okay, now what will be happening? We are defining str, starting, ending and inserting. So enter starting state, so we will be defining which is the starting state. So start will be there and we will be starting the final state. Okay, so now here the main thing will be coming, we will be checking the string. Okay, so while one cout enter input string, so in string and in string input string will output. Okay, so while in string k, tr will be stored in string k value. Okay, so input string k value will be stored there. Okay, then for I equal to 0, I less than number of state I plus, which the same goes for the terminal of state also. So we will be checking st I equal to s and then transition from j equal to tr. So if everything is okay, we will be saying okay, this is the state and we will go to x. Okay, then k plus plus, final state s equal to int, string accepted, string rejected. Okay, now let's see how this program is working. So this is the C program. So we will be using G++ compiler. So yeah, it's compiled successfully, we are not getting any error here. So enter the number of set. So we already have one DFA here. So if you see here, we have number of set A, B and C. So A is the starting set also and the final set also. So how many sets we have? We have 3 sets. And how many terminals we have? We have 2 terminals. Okay, so let's see, enter the number of sets. So enter the number of sets 3. Okay, enter the sets. So enter the sets. So we have A, then B and then C. Okay, now we will enter the number of terminals. So if you see here, we have 2 terminals, 0 and 1. So we will be writing 0, okay. So we have to execute the program once again. So enter the number of sets. So 3, it will be A, B and then C. Okay, enter the number of terminals. So we have 2 terminals. So enter the terminals 0 and then 1, 0 and then 1. Yeah, so state A, terminal 0, enter the transition. So from here state A, so 0 will be going to A itself. So we will be writing A. So state A, terminal 1. So from state A, terminal 1, where it will go? So it will go to B. So we will be writing B here. Okay, then what we are having is state B and terminal 0. So state B, terminal 0 it's going to C, so we'll be writing C. Okay, now for 1 it's going to A. Enter the transition. For C, 1 is 0 is going to B, 0 is going to B, and 1 is going to C, 1 is going to C. So this is the transition table, A B C, A B C. Enter starting state. So we have starting state A and final state also A. Okay, so now we have to input the string. So if you see here, if we entered 0 1 0 1 1, so it will be accepted. Yeah, 1 1 will be also accepted. Okay, so let's try with 1 1. So 1 1. Okay, string accepted. Suppose if we give anything that is not accepted, 0 1 0, so it will say string not accepted. So if we try 0 1 0, string is rejected. So if we have first, if you see here, state, it's first going to state B, then state A, then final state A. So string accepted. So this is all about this experiment. Thank you for watching.